Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to find the limit of a function using a table. Now starting off, we have the limit as x approaches 7, x minus 7 over x squared minus 9x plus 14. That's our function. And of course, the first step to any limit problem really is to check for the indeterminate form. I'm going to go ahead and plug in 7 for each of the x's, and we do end up with 0 over 0, so we do have the indeterminate form. And now we're going to create our table for solving this problem. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a table with values getting really close to 7 from the left and right sides. So here we have, it's best to choose really close numbers like decimals. So it shows 6.9, 6.99, 6.999, and so on. So we want it to get really close from the left side, increasing and then decreasing from the right side. And of course, 7 is going to be undefined because we already know it has the indeterminate form. But what we're going to do now is graph the function. I don't have a TI-84 on me right now, but I'm sure you all know how to do this. Just click the y equals button and just enter this function right here, and then hit graph. And then you've got the entire graph graphed out, and the next step is to hit trace and then enter each one of these x values, and then write down the y value. Say for 6.9 we get 13.4. I don't have the TI-84 on me, so I don't know the values, but this is just an example. Say for instance you get 13.4 for 6.9, and for 6.99 you get 13.6, and then 6.999, 13.8, 14.1, 14.02, and 14.6. So these are just examples. You want to plug in, hit trace, and then enter each of these x values and get their y values. Now, all you got to do now is look at what number they seem to get closer to. 13 is increasing here, and 14 is decreasing here. So that leaves us to estimate that the limit is 14, because they're each getting closer to 14. It's increasing on the left side and decreasing on the right side. It doesn't have to be exact. It doesn't have to be the exact decimal. You just got to estimate the whole number. So that is how you find the limit using a table when you have the indeterminate form.